शिवोलेच्या बाजार जंक्शनासावन आसगांव बांदे जंक्शनाच्या रस्त्या मेरेन झाडां कापपाच्या कामाक उच्च न्यायालयान स्थगिती दिल्या। फाटल्या कांय दिसां सावन शिवोलेन बेकायदेशीर झाडां कापपाचे प्रकार वाडिल्ले। उच्च न्यायालयान रानाधिकारी आनी पुलिसांक पळोवणी करपाचे निर्देश दिल्यात आनी हाचो फुडलो तपास चालू आसा अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट नॉर्मा आल्वारीस हांणी दिली।
This morning I have mentioned to the court that last week between 3rd and 5th of March around 35 big huge heritage trees have been felled at Seolin from the Seoli marketplace up to a short stretch of the SFX school, and the citizens were very alarmed and they asked the contractor whose permission he was felling the trees with. He had no names to offer, no permission to give, nothing. But what he told them was that not only this, I have also been given permission to cut from Seoli market across the hill up to Bade Junction, Asagaon. According to him, around 120 trees are required to be cut. But he does not give anyone's name or any permission. Also, if there is a permission from the authorities, then the trees are marked, so we know which trees there are. So people have been maintaining a vigil from 6th of March. Every day they are watching the entire stretch, which is a very inhuman thing for people. They have to go to work, they have lives to lead, but they are maintaining a vigil because they don't know when the tree cutter will come, and they bring the chainsaws and in minutes the whole tree is down. The photographs that we produced before the court are simply shocking. The court was totally shocked. But then talk. Once the trees are cut, how do we replace, how do we replant? These are heritage trees. These are intergenerational trees. They are meant for generations to come. Some of them are 100 years, more than 100 years old. So it is a sacrilege in this day and age of climate change to ruthlessly fell trees like this for whatever purpose. The matter has been posted now to 26th of March, but the court has repeatedly expressed its anguish that such a heinous crime has been committed, and they have told the government advocate that we want to find out what is at the bottom of this, who has given the trees and how such permissions have been given.